In today's mining operations, optimizing efficiency and reducing costs are top priorities. Introducing a groundbreaking idea that could revolutionize the loading process. Before blasting, imagine the use of a large table underneath the bench to collect rocks after blasting, combined with lifts to raise the table to the level of the haul truck's bucket for direct loading. A bulldozer efficiently clearing the road from fly rocks, revealing the rock table lift, RTL, loaded with blasted rocks. The technology's safety features for hydraulic and suspension systems contribute to a smoother and safer working environment. A boulder incorporated in the RTL system is purposefully designed with a trapezoidal shape. It ensures optimal stability during its operation. The trapezoidal shape of the boulder is strategically chosen to facilitate the efficient withholding of falling materials, providing a secure and reliable mechanism to safeguard the haul truck during the loading process. By decreasing the number of haul trucks needed and replacing shovels or excavators with more efficient alternatives, cycle times are reduced, further enhancing productivity. The controlled and safe loading process ensures the longevity of the haul truck's hydraulic and suspension systems. It can use multiple rock table lifts, RTLs, in a single blast, unlocking immense potential to boost productivity and slash mining operation costs. Seamlessly integrating with AI technology, this system allows for easy control and automation. In the graph, for small-scale production, the loading process shows similar rates for both the classic method and RTL. However, RTL offers a 25% reduction in haulage costs, resulting in a combined loading and haulage cost reduction of 23%. For medium-scale production, the classic loading rate is 20% higher compared to RTL, but RTL's haulage costs are 32% lower, leading to an overall cost reduction of 33%. We seek your support in embracing the future of mining and joining the revolution today. Whether you're a mining company, manufacturer of mining equipment, institution, or government entity, your partnership is crucial to driving this transformative change. AutonomineX is an actual startup for future autonomous mining technology. For more detail and information, contact us via email autonominex.australia@gmail.com.